Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a border to an PNG image in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add a border to an PNG image. Now you can see there is show the PNG image. Now you can see yes PNG image add border. Now going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now you can see then you show new interface and click from stroke option. Now you can see then we select from size and select from color. Now click OK. Then click OK. That it's. Then again going to the layer option. Now select from mouse right button. Now click from blending option and click from stroke and choose color. Now choose from red color and size and click OK. That it's. Now you can see add a border in PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily.